My name is Tom Gray. I'm a product marketing manager at OusterLidar. So Ouster makes LiDAR sensors, which are 3D LiDAR cameras used for surveying and mapping, as well as robotics and security solutions. So we're here at INTERGEO because using 3D sensors like LiDAR is the future of surveying and mapping. So many companies are using LiDAR sensors and mounting them on drones or carrying them by hand and making 3D maps of the world in a way that we haven't been able to do before. So we're here at INTERGEO because we have lots of customers who like our high-resolution sensor that's also light and easy to carry around. So we have lots of mapping and surveying customers here visiting us. We sell two LiDAR sensors. We sell a sensor called the OS1 and the OS2. One is a mid-range LiDAR sensor and one is a long-range LiDAR sensor. The OS1 is really useful for hand mapping and low-flying drones. We have lots of customers who have been using that and actually appreciate the fact that we update the sensor every 3 months. So we have things like accuracy and precision that are really important for surveying that have been improving dramatically every few months. So for those customers who have tried our sensor and want to try a better one, we invite them to come back. And the OS2 is a long-range sensor for fixed-wing or higher-flying drones that we sell for those surveying solutions. For both of these, you can learn more by visiting our website at ouster.com.